trying to connect is proving difficult. What to do? I think it's not meant to connect. Okay. Let's see. So, I don't know, we're trying to live stream on YouTube, but the technology doesn't want to go live today. So, we're going to take our verse from C.Bhagavat-gītā, chapter 5, text number 29, entitled Karma Yoga, Action in Krishna Consciousness. Bhagavad-gītā, as it is, chapter 5, text number 29. Okay. So we'll take the Sanskrit Krishna connected. Bhaktaram yagyata pasam Sarva loka maheshwaram Sugritam sarva bhutanam Yatva mam santim archati Bhaktaram yagyata pasam Sarva loka maheshwaram Sugritam sarva bhutanam Yatva mam santim pritchati Bhaktaram jagyata pasam Sarva loka maheshwaram Sugritam sarva bhutanam Yatva mam santim pritchati Bhaktaram jagyata pasyam Sarvaloka maheshwaram Suhridam sarva bhutanam Yatva mam santim pritchati Bhaktaram jagyata pasam Sarvaloka maheshwaram Suhridam sarva bhutanam Yatva mam santim pritchati.
Bhaktaram yagyata pasam
Bhaktaram yagyata pasam
Sarvaloka maheshwaram
Sarvaloka maheshwaram
Suhridam sarva Sutam Nama
Suvidam Sarvabhutanam
Yatwama Satam Rachari
Yatvanam Santiprachati Bhutam Yatyatapasam Sarvalokam Surya Sarvabhutanam Rajam Santiprachati Bhutam Yatyatapasam Sarvabhutanam Suvidam Sarvabhutanam Yatvam Satyachati. So we'll take the word for word translation. Bhoktaram, the beneficiary. Yajna of sacrifices. Tapasam and penances. And austerities. Sarvaloka of all planets and demigods. Thereof. Maheshwaram, the Supreme Lord. Suhridam, the benefactor. Sarva, of all. Bhutanam, the living entities. Yatva, thus knowing. Mam, me, Lord Krishna. Bhutanam, the living entities. Yatva, thus knowing. Mam, me, Lord Krishna. Santim, relief from material harms. Richati, one achieves. Translation of Bhagavad-gītā. A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the Supreme Lord of all the planets and demigods, and the benefactor and well-wisher of all living entities, attains peace from the pangs of material pleasures. This is good books. A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the Supreme Lord of all planets and demigods, and the benefactor and well-wisher of all living entities, attains peace from the pangs of material issues. Purpose. A person, the conditioned soul within the classes of the illusory energy are all anxious to attain peace in the material world, but they do not know the formula for peace, which is explained in this part of the Bhagavad-gītā. The greatest peace formula is simply this: Lord Krishna is the beneficiary of all human activities. Man should offer everything to the transcendental service of the Lord, because He is the proprietor of all the planets and the demigods thereof. No one is greater than He is greater than the greatest of the demigods, Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma. In the Vedas, the Sutra Upanishad, chapter 6, text number 7, the Supreme Lord is described as Tam Ishwaranam Paramam Maheshwaram. Under the spell of illusion, living entities are trying to be lords of all they survey, but actually, they are dominated by the material energy of the Lord. The Lord is the master of the material nature, and conditioned souls are under the stringent rules of material nature, unless one understands these bare facts, it is not possible to achieve peace in the world, either individually or collectively. This is the sense of Krishna consciousness. While Krishna is the supreme predominator and all living entities, including the great universe, are subordinates, one can attain perfect peace only in complete Krishna consciousness. The 5th chapter is a practical explanation of Krishna consciousness, generally known as Karma Yoga. Can be liberated. The question of mental speculation as to how Karma Yoga can give liberation is answered here.